Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm thrilled to share with you another exciting video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out the exciting content coming your way. In today's video, I've got something special for you. 10 free AI courses that I've personally found incredibly valuable. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, these courses are perfect for expanding your knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence. I still want to emphasize, it's not just about the certificate, but it's about gaining and honing your skill. With that being said, let's get into it. We're starting with AWS training and certification. The platform is on my screen right here. The course is Foundations of Prompt Engineering. The language is in English and duration is 4 hours. It has 5 stars. You see here about the course. The course level is intermediate, activities, course objectives, and the rest. So you click on enroll. It's going to ask you to sign up if you have not signed up. But if you have done that, it's going to ask you to sign in, then you signed in. I'm going to drop all the links in the description so that you can check it yourself. The next is Deep Learning AI. The course is Chat GPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. Learn for free. Is free for now, free for a limited time. The duration is 1 hour. Beginners to advanced. You can discover more here on this platform. The same thing, you need to sign up and then sign in and take the course. The next is Introduction to Generative AI, Google Cloud by Google. The same thing, you join to enroll. This course is an introductory course. There's no cost to it. Then the next is on LinkedIn Learning. You can see it on my screen. It's also 42 minutes. It has 4.7 stars. You take all the exercise, watch the course, then you get your certificate too. Take some quiz and the rest. The next is on Harvard University. Check on my screen here. You can see from May 4th to 23rd to 21st December 2024. The course is also free online. You read all through. You see the duration is 7 weeks long. The time commitment is 10 to 30 hours per week. It's self-paced. The subject is computer science. The course language is English, and the video transcription too is in English. Is also introductory. The platform is in EDX. So the next is Learn Prompting. You can check the go to www.learnprompting.org. Is also your guide to generative AI. Is also totally free. The next still in Harvard University, data science machine learning is also free, and the duration time commitment is 2 to 4 hours per week. This one is not as long as the other one. Is also free. As you can see here, the tuition is supposed to be 149, but is free. Yes. Then the next one is Introduction to Responsible AI. You can see it's also 8 hours introductory, and there is no cost. The next is also on deeplearning.ai, a long chain for LLM application development. That's large language models application development. Is for free too, for a limited time, and the duration is 1 hour for beginners. The last but not the least is on LinkedIn Learning still. Is streamlining your work with Copilot. You can see putting your finger to work. Also, the duration is 35 minutes, and there is no much exercise, then you get your certificate. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, like and share till we see in my next video. Bye.